Hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to install Beatmaps and upload them to your OSO game. Now first of all, let's get ahead and open any browser, for example Google Chrome. And just for this tutorial I'm using Google Chrome. You can use whatever browser you're having. So yeah, now let's click on here and type OSO and click on this first map over here. Now after logging in, try because it's really important. If you're not logged in, let me show you. Let's sign out. I can't really type anything in here. I can't really do anything, so make sure that you are logged in. So I will log in now, and after doing so you will be able to search in here. Now let's, for example, type whatever name of any song you want to choose. So for me, I'm gonna choose the Mayday song, and I will choose this one in here. The circle means you are going to play the OSO map, the normal OSO with circles and taps. If you saw something else like this, it means drums. The drum like also has, I think, 3 or 4 types of gameplay: the circle one, the piano one, the drums one, and I'm not sure, but I think there is a guitar one. I'm not sure, but I just think that they exist. Anyway, from here you can also see the difficulty, like the colors. This one is easier, this one is like normal, this one is harder, this one is really hard, this one is extremely hard. So after like doing your search, after choosing your beat map that you can play, after that you can click on it and you can choose between these two. You can download it on your PC and then drag it to your game, or from here you can click on also direct and download it directly into your game. So for example, let's just download it, and after doing so you can just drag it inside also, and here you go. Now you can see all the beat maps of this game in here. You can just click and start playing this beat map like really fast. It doesn't even take a second to do so, as you can see. And yeah, that was the tutorial for today guys. Please leave a like and thanks for watching. Enjoy your game.